Good morning, wow kids. So kids, today I will tell you that how can you make a paper wallet in which you can keep your savings that you get as a pocket money from your parents. So let's paper wallet, we need a paper and you can take any color of your choice. Now kids, you have to fold this paper, okay? So kids, you have to make sure that the ends will meet and you have to press it. Okay kids, so see, I have got the center of this paper. Now we have to turn this paper and again we have to fold it, but now we have to fold it till this end. So let's fold it again. So from one side I have folded and now again I am going to fold it from the other side. So what will I take my ending part? This dividing line. When we open this part, so kids, we will find this type of pattern and we got 3 dividing lines. So now what you have to do? You have to fold this part and keep it like this, and now again you have to fold this, and now this time this is the ending point. So again fold it up to this ending point and properly press it, and now again we will fold this part like this. Okay kids, now you have to turn it. Okay, and now fold from both these ends a little bit part. Okay, these are the borders which we have to secure it by pressing it. Repeat this section on the other part also. So by judgment I am going to fold this part. So hopefully both the parts are equal and we will get like this. So see, this is the dividing line. Again what we are going to do, we will getting the shape of the wallet like, yes. And now kids, we have to secure our sides by opening this long side, and now you have to press it in the triangle form like this. Okay, I have folded only one corner, again fold it, and same I have to do from this side. So I have to take the longer part. Okay, the big one part I am going to fold it and it will become a triangle, and again fold it. And when we get this shape of wallet, we are going to place this side in this area, so it will become a lock shape. Okay, again I am going to lock my second side, right kids? So our wallet is ready, and now I have to again meet both the ends and take the center and press it. Now when we open our wallet, we will have these type of pockets in which we can have our money. So I have some money and I will show you how can you place inside your wallet. So here it goes, my money in this pocket. So you have seen that Mama Papa will place their money in their wallets, and now you also have your paper wallet, right kids? So here goes in the second pocket also, in which generally we will keep our visiting cards or debit cards, but if you don't have, you can have your money. Okay, and even you can also seal your wallet like this. So I hope you will like this paper wallet and try at home.